Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can pay annual leave in Xero, so let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and go to your Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Payroll in the main menu at the top of the page. Then, from the Payroll menu, select Employees. Here, you'll see a list of all your employees. Click on the employee who is taking the annual leave. Once you've selected the employee, you'll be taken to their profile page. From there, click on Payslips on the left-hand side, then select Create Payslip. In the Payslip screen, under the Earnings section, click Add Earnings. From the list of earnings types, choose Annual Leave or whatever your business has labeled it as. Enter the number of hours or days the employee has taken for annual leave. Xero will automatically calculate the pay based on their hourly or salary rate. If necessary, adjust the amount or hours to make sure it's correct. After verifying the details, click Save to generate the payslip. The employee's annual leave pay will now be included in their next payslip, and you can process the payment as usual. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing.